Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get free plays on Smule. Now if you want to get free plays on Smule and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Smule app on device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the profile page. You will be landed on the page called songbook. So this is the home page of Smule, and here you'll see the option like feed, explore, songbook, activity and profile icon at the very bottom right. From here you just need to click on the option of search at the very top right, and you just need to type the song or the artist you like, and you just need to find the song that says join. So these are the open duets option, and after clicking on the option of join you just need to record your part and save it for free. So that's it, that's how you can get it for free. And the other thing which you can do is that you just need to search for free solos. So click on the option of search again, and you just need to type the hashtag like solos for you or solos and all of it. So after clicking on the option of search, here you'll see the option which is sing and all of it. You just need to look for the performance marked as solo or open for all, and there you just need to click on the option of tap and sing, and no VIP is needed for it. So that's it, that's how you can get free plays on your Smule account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.